Hi, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays. I've got a special guest here today and I think our journey, where did we first meet?
At boot camp,
At boot camp
I
in
reckon.
Sydney and then South Australia. And I'd just love to know, what are you doing in the world today to make a difference?
I'm aspiring to become a real catalyst to make us evolve into a healthier way of using social media. At the moment, everybody's blaming it, seeing it as the worst thing ever, thinking that it's taking everything out of us on a human level, when we can just shift it around and actually start using it the healthiest way possible.
Wow, so it's a bit of a mind
There's
shift
part of
with a
mindset.
body shift as well.
Yes, I call it the positive online mindset, the POM. And I also work on bringing online offline balance. So creating online connection and transposing them offline
Wow, I love that. And how do people get in contact with you?
or on social media. So I'm on Facebook on the Net Healthing, as well as LinkedIn on the Audrey Believer, as well as Instagram, Net Healthing again. So a few ways to reach me on social media, and I also have a website, nethealthing.com.
Fantastic. So have a great week and get mad for Mondays and make a difference too. Thank you.